So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this pixel layer, click on this, and it's going to add new layer. I'm going to go to this thing here, and then I change color. Okay, what's happening here. Maybe like this. Okay, and then control and space, backspace. Okay, I'm going to change the color a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to put this layer underneath. Okay, click and then drag, and it's gonna go behind this picture. Okay, and what I'm gonna do now is click on the image layer and then drag this a little bit. Okay, make it smaller, drag here. So now I'm gonna go to this shape rectangle tool and then press it for a while, and then we can see a lot of options here. I'm gonna go to rounded rectangle tool. Okay, I'm gonna drag like this. Okay, so go to move tool and move it a little bit. Okay, so now what we can do is we can drag this image layer, click and then drag on this rectangle layer, click and then release it. Now as you can see, this image is inside that rounded rectangle, and now we'll go to this inside this rectangle layer. You can see a small arrow here. Click on the arrow, it's going to show the image inside, and having that image selected, I'm gonna duplicate the layer, so press Ctrl and J. So there's another layer of the same image. Now this one I'm gonna click and drag outside the layer. Okay, so it's gonna be the top layer. Okay, now from here I'm gonna go here on selection tool and select selection brush tool. Okay, and I'm gonna click and drag a little bit here like this. Okay, yeah, just like this portion, we don't need to go too far down. Okay, after having that selected, we're gonna go to this mask layer. Okay, yeah. So this has created a mask around the images, so only this part is visible. Okay, so now press Ctrl and D. So that's what we want. We can add a stroke to this rectangle. So select the rectangle layer here and then go to effects, layer effects, and go to outline and increase the radius. Like this. And you can change the color to white. Okay. And close. See, that's how you make this kind of image. You can also go to this rectangle again and go to effects and add outer shadow. You don't see anything here, but just play with this thing here. Radius, offset, and then intensity. Maybe radius more. Offset, yeah, offset a little bit more. Okay, and then close. So now you can see this type of effect has been achieved. I hope you like this effect. This is a cool effect, but it's not too hard to create. So I hope you like it. Thanks for watching the video.